Okay, fourth graders, I know we already broke the problem down and we started to make a plan. We know that we need to divide. So I have on my board here where I set up kind of our 259, right? And I know there are 7 days in a week. So I know how many groups of weeks that is. So I know that I'm going to divide the 259 divided by 7. If you draw a different picture to help you out, that's fine too. All right, so let's work this out. I'm dividing. So remember dad, mom, sister, brother, rover. We're going to go through those steps. So I'm looking right here and I cover everything up and I have 7 and I'm skip counting by 7 and I want to hit 2 without going over. Can I do that? No, I can't do that, right? Because this number 7 is greater than the 2. So I can put a 0 up here because it'll go 0 times. If you want to do that for a placeholder, I'll go ahead and do that. But we know 0 always looks funny at the front of a number, so I wouldn't leave it up there in the answer at the end. But I have this. So what do? I uncover another number. 7 into 25. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip count by our star of the show, which is 7, until I hit the 25. So let's do that together. Ready? 7, 14, 21, 28. Oh, I went too far. So if you notice today when we're dividing by the 6, 7, 8, and 9, if this gets hard for you, here's a strategy you can do. On the side of the board, you can start skip counting by your 7s. 7, and then you can go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm just counting up 7 each time. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And I can keep going down the side and I can list all my 7s out so I can use it in another problem later if I want to, if I'm struggling a little with my 7 facts. But we can see that as close as we got is 21, and that was 3 groups of 7. That was 7, 14, 21. So what's on our fingers goes up. That's 3. That's going to go above the 25. And what we say out loud, which was 21, is going to go down below, because what you're doing is you're multiplying there. You just multiplied the 3 times 7 to get the 21. So you did dad, which was 25 divided by 7, dividing. You got your 3. You multiplied 3 times 7 and got the 21. Dad, mom. Now it's sister's turn. Sister is subtract. So you're going to subtract your 25 and your 21. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. We'll put our 4 on there. So we did dad, mom, sister. Now we have brother. Brother's name is Kyle. Kyle comes in and boop, kicks the 4 over in front of the 9. So now instead of looking at 9, whoop, wrong way, we're looking at 49. Do you see how we kicked that over there? We kicked the 4, right, up here to make it 49. So this is the only one I have without an answer above it. So now I'm looking at 49 and I'm skip counting by 7. Well, since I started over here, I can just keep going. So I was at 21. So I'm doing my multiples of 7. I can count up 7 more. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. My next number will be 28. You see, that would be 7 times 4 is 28. And then I count up 7 more, and I'm at 35. I'm trying to get as close as I can at 49. So 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Ooh, I'm getting close. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. I hit 49. Now, if I want to know how many 7s that is, all I have to do is count down my multiples. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times 7 is 49. So 49 divided by 7 is 7. And I got 49, so I can write it under there. I can subtract it, and it comes out to 0, so there's no remainder left over. So right now I have my answer as 37. To check that, I would take my 37 times 7. So off to the side, I'm going to go ahead and do that to make sure my answer is correct. So I take my quotient times my divisor. 7 times 7 is 49. I put my 9 down and regroup my 4. 7 times 3 is 21. I can't forget my bonus points. 2, 3, 4, 25, 259. So I got that in. That was my dividend right there. So the question was, we all know there are 7 days in a week. How many weeks are in 259 days? So if it starts with words, it needs to end in words. So I go back to that question again. How many weeks are in 259 days? Well, 37 weeks. So I'm going to put my weeks up there. Make sure my words end it. And there I have it. It's a one-step division problem with 7 as my divisor. All right, good job, guys.